Welcome to the Send Social Media Training Series. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to navigate the blog directory inside Send Social Media. Then we will find a blog feed to post to our social media channels. Click on the Content tab and then select New Feed on the far right-hand side. Then click on Publications and Blogs to search the blog directory. In this demo we will review the social media blog directory. We will select the Social Media Examiner blog and click Add Feed. Close this window to go back to your dashboard and view all of the blog posts. You can change the view of the blogs into a list or rows of blocks. In our next series of training, we will show you how to share these blogs with your social media networks. Happy posting!